She looks good. Okay, ooh, wait a minute. Come on, housewife. Well, hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WIGs. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. It is also still WIGMAS, and I have another Wig Bay holiday slay to share with y'all. Okay, check out my girl Andrea. Just got the smile on ting, okay, because she knows she look good. Okay, I know that smile anywhere. Look. So Andrea says this is her favorite holiday wig because she loves how natural it looks and how confident she feels when she wears it. Listen, I like that. Whether a natural face or full beat, natural curls or a wig, confidence is key, okay? You rock the wig, it does not rock you. Listen. So make sure y'all show Andrea some love down below. I'm sure she will appreciate it. Now it is also SipnSlay, and I do got my wine today, okay? I got my Stella Rosa Black. Ooh, she looked good. She was waiting on me and I was waiting on her. You hear me? Let's go ahead and give a toast real quick. New year, better me. Go ahead and let that process so we can progress. You hear me? Listen, cheers. Ooh, that's good, that's good. But anyway, before we get into my look, just know I did curl up this unit, but as you can see, my curls are MIA. I still don't take my own advice with setting my curls because I'm trying to get the look quickly. But it's okay because we're gonna try a little ponytail situation that I saw on my girl Kelly Rowland that I'm really feeling. So I'm hoping that it comes out good, but we're gonna be doing that together. Okay, so before we get into all this, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always
so what did I say, y'all? I told y'all I curled this joint. But it's okay. Okay, it's okay. We still got ourselves a look. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from YWigs. This is a kinky straight highlighted unit. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen, including the price point. So if you want to check this unit out, you definitely can. Like I said, the texture of this unit is a kinky straight. So, you know, when I went in to curl my unit, it just wasn't, they weren't gonna last. I knew from jump they weren't gonna last, but I still wanted to try. I still want to give her a go. So, you know, there's that. But, you know, I ain't worried about that. Now, the unit does come with a slight chemical smell. However, I did not wash my unit just to save some time. I just sprayed some dry shampoo on her to kind of get rid of that smell, but I do suggest you go ahead and wash it. Just know for a kinky straight unit, the hair will swell, but you can definitely use your heat on your blow dryer to press it back out and be good to go. The hair texture as a whole is really soft. I didn't get no shedding or tangling with this unit, so I'm here for that. It was very easy to maneuver this hair as well. Out the pack, she's already pretty swollen. However, when I use my heat to kind of, you know, straighten it out a little bit, it definitely helps sleek the unit out as much as possible without giving me a sleek look, but giving me like a kinky straight sleek look. You know what I'm saying? Like a more natural sleek look. That's what I was going for. So I'm actually feeling how this is looking on me. She looks pretty good. The hair has nice movement, as you can see, especially for this to be a highlighted kinky straight unit. I'm here for that. I have been waiting for a color like this on a kinky straight unit, and I'm so glad that I finally have it, y'all. She looks good. Now I will say up in here, you do get some of that tint up there with the parting space, so just be mindful of that. I'm assuming that's from, you know, like bleaching the hair and putting the highlights in. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or if that was like an accident. I don't know, but you know, there's that. But I'm really liking how this is looking, y'all. I feel like it looks real pretty, y'all, and I feel like this hair deserves an up style, especially with this hairline. Do y'all see that hairline on this wig? Huh? Do you see the hairline that is on this wig? Now you saw that I did go in and pluck some of the hair out, but honestly it was not that much. It took me like maybe 20 seconds. Like I didn't do a lot of plucking on this joint. I pretty much just chopped through a little bit to break up the hairline just a bit, and then I left my edges out over here because it was gonna be a little bit too short on the sides and I didn't want to put too much pressure on my edges. That's how you rip out your edges, okay? So be mindful of that. If your unit does not come all the way down onto the sides and you have hair that you can kind of pull out like I did, pull it out, all right? Don't don't even try to cover it, because all you're gonna do is irritate your hair and put pressure on your follicles that you don't need to. She looks good, okay? Ooh, wait a minute, come on, housewife. So with that being said, this unit is more big head associated than big head friendly. I didn't have it pulled all the way down into the back just because I didn't want it to, you know, like kind of pull at my sides. But now that I have it glued down and secure, I don't want to clip it under my wig grip. So I'm kind of just gonna pull it. I'm just gonna pull it flat and then leave it like that. I definitely should have used that glue on. Where is it? I don't know where it is, but that's probably why I didn't use it. But next time I will use that, okay? Let me get some water, hold on. That wine got me warm, good grief. Let me go ahead and bring this down. Let me see, I got one bobby pin. I can't find my bobby pins. I got one bobby pin, so let's try to make this work with one bobby pin. Now this is the look that I'm talking about right here. In her picture, you can definitely see that she has some bangs kind of going on. I don't know if I'm gonna actually cut this unit with some bangs, so you know, we'll see. Is it storming outside? Goodness gracious, is that enough? That's a little bit too much on that side. Okay, so I'm going to take this, I'm gonna pin it right there, like that. Okay. Okay, so she just pulled it up in a ponytail, I guess. I'm assuming that's how she did that. I don't want my edges to mess up. Let me make sure this is, you can pull some of my edges down and a little bit of the wig. Pull a little bit of the wig down like that on both sides. I like that, y'all. Do, 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 do. I always do that. I don't know why I do that, but whatever. Okay, then we're gonna pull it up into a ponytail. Like I didn't secure this hair, you know, super good, because it's on there with that that got to be. So what I'm gonna do, before I even get too far in, I'm gonna make sure my hair is secure. Okay, put this like that, and then we're gonna wrap it down tightly so I don't get no type of lifting on my daggone lace. That's what we don't want. Let me go down a little bit, and I can't see nothing, so I'm hoping this works out the way that I want it to. And look, she just had it up in a ponytail and then kind of had it flowing like a little waterfall situation. That's what I'm thinking she did. So let's see. Like I told you, mine is not all the way down the back. So I'm gonna leave some of that slack right there so I can pull it down a little bit more in the back when I'm done. Her ponytail was super high, like this, right? Make sure it's not too crooked. Oh. Y'all be asking me how I be doing my ponytails. I'm showing you, so you don't gotta ask me no more. So let me turn my curling iron on, because I think she had, some of hers had some curls in it. And I only got one bobby pin. Okay, so I'm gonna take the back here. I'm just gonna use I'm just gonna tuck it into the band of the ponytail. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what you're gonna do, Kai. Leave some of the hair out like messy so I can curl it. And bring this one up like that and over. Tuck it into the back of the band. Like that. To kind of make it like a little curl or whatever. Oh yeah. This one I may need to use a bobby pin for. Oh no, maybe not, maybe not. Can I tuck it? Can I tuck it? I can do it. I did it, I did it. I want this one to have like a little curl on it. So, gonna take my curling iron. Well, that didn't curl all the way. Like this, like this. Okay, like that. Yup. That may not be exactly like hers, because you know, I'm not her or her hairstylist, so that's why it's called inspired. I was inspired by her style. It was just so cute. I'm pretty sure like I saw Sierra with the same style, and Halle Berry. Okay, so this must be the do for the girls. Okay, when it comes to the updo, I like that. I like it, I like it. I have to put some lift in my little ponytail situation. Like that. And let me show you guys the back real quick so you don't be asking me how the back look. I'm about to show you. Okay, so again, I just tucked all the hair into the ponytail. Can y'all see that? Okay, I just tucked all the hair into the ponytail. So hers is just really messy. So we're gonna keep the messy look. I'm gonna take this band off so I can see what we working with. There's that. My wig grip is showing, so I'm gonna try to pull it down. So I pulled it down. I'm gonna bring some of the hair like this over top of it. My wig grip up a little bit. Bring some of the hair out in the back. Same thing over here. Pull some of the hair down. Make it kind of loose a little bit. Let me take this out so I can see how these are sitting. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, let me put some curls back in this one. Again, theirs was short, but I don't think I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna try to fake the bang. We'll see if I can do it. I don't know, we're gonna try. Okay, theirs was definitely, okay, so hers was kind of like that. You definitely didn't see no part up in there. Technically, what I could do is kind of bring it down like this and then pin that up to kind of give me that look. I could do that. I could do that. Let me see if I tease it a little bit. Let me see. Because her bang was a lot fuller looking. It's supposed to be like a messy look. Like a very like effortless type of like, oh, I got a ponytail. I didn't know I had a ponytail. I ain't got no sense. Let me just tease that up a little bit. Okay. Tighten that down. Maybe I can use that bobby pin right there. See? There we go. Bring this over and just pin that right there. I think we are gonna leave it like this. So it's not exactly like hers, but again, the inspiration is there. I mean, like I said, the chopping would definitely give it the look like she had if I was to cut it. And I'm very tempted to cut it. I think J-Lo had her hair like this too. Like a lot of them had their hair like this. This seems to be like, you know, the easy style because you can't really mess it up. You know what I'm saying? It's like, it's just messy. How we looking? Let me put my glasses on. If I look a mess, I'm sorry. Well, I'm gonna find out now. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm not mad at this at all. And I can definitely spray it to kind of make sure this sticks back the way I want it to. But because this is a, but what the heck was that? But because this is a kinky straight unit, the hair will pretty much stay, you know, pretty much how I leave it. So, okay, so what we thinking, y'all? How did I do? I think it's pretty cute. I think it's pretty cute, okay? Let me know if you would try this style for like, you know, like a, I'm about to say banquet. Oh, I feel old. Like a dinner or like, you know, a fancy night out or like some type of ceremony, even like a wedding, like let's put the veil in the back there. Ooh, that could be cute. Look at that. Y'all see that side profile? That could be cute, okay? But let me know what y'all think about this. Y'all, this hair is gorgeous, okay? The hair is gorgeous. It's really pretty. The highlights are in, the texture is great. Like, I love it. Okay, I love it, especially with this updo. Like, it just gives me, it takes the wig to another level. I'm here for it. I'm here for it, okay? But shout out one more time to WIGWigs for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.